What's happening YouTube? I am highway.to.hill and welcome to another video. In the previous video I showed you footage from Saturday at Sepang International Circuit for the Petronas GP 2022 in Malaysia, and that was the qualifiers. So this is the footage from Sunday. This is October 23rd and it's race day. So on race day, this place was absolutely buzzing. MotoGP returned to the Sepang International Circuit in Malaysia after a couple of years. It had hosted MotoGP from 1999 to 2019, and then in 2020 and 2021, because of COVID, you know, the Petronas GP was cancelled. So I think that is one reason why the crowd was the numbers were really big. So over 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, Sepang reported more than 130,000 people, which is higher compared to some other circuits. For example, if you take Silverstone reported just about 100,000 people over 3 days, which is 40 to 50,000 less compared to last year. And I think this is also due to the fact that Valentino Rossi is not there anymore, and over the past couple of years even Marc Marquez has been struggling with injury. He has been absent for almost like 2 years, and I think MotoGP has to work on this, and coming to new markets like India and Kazakhstan. I mean, India is a totally bike crazy country, so I'm sure in India MotoGP is going to get a good response, and as well as in Kazakhstan. So this place was absolutely buzzing on Sunday. Massive crowd, and they had all these manufacturer stores, stalls were there. You had food, music, there were bands performing, DJ, and all your Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, all the bike factory manufacturers were there. A lot of these accessory shops were also there, like GV, and you also had your merchandise store from MotoGP from VR46 and others. So I have some footage from the race, so I hope you enjoy this. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one, I'm going to bring you all the bikes that I saw at Sepang. I saw the M1, I also saw the GSX RR and lot of other bikes. So I am sure you will enjoy it. That's it from me now. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, ciao.